The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the panel to have access to the air filter housing. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, insert your new filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.